back to another video. You are watching Phones.ua with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about LG G2. Yes, LG की सीरीज की बात करें, LG ब्रांड की बात करें तो कह सकते हैं काफी ज्यादा अच्छा वेरिएंट ये रहा है, काफी ज्यादा सुर्खियों में भी रहा है, and as well as we can see this has always been a great variation out there. LG खुद स्टैंड करता है लाइव्स गुड के लिए. Yes, LG itself stands for lives good. So definitely we expect its product to be life changing, life good, and everything out there. Talking about this variant, talking about LG smartphone, the first smartphone or the smartphone we are going to start with the series of G is LG G2. जी हाँ, G2 से हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं आज का ये LG सीरीज का सिलसिला. कहा जा सकता है कि LG की ये सीरीज काफी ज्यादा अच्छी रही है, पॉपुलर रही है. रीजन बीइंग दे हैव ऑलवेज बीन द मार्केट फॉर n number of reasons, either it's major or minor drawbacks or great and non too good qualities, or we can say the best parts of these. So let us start the video and see what LG G2 has in store for itself. Talking about LG G2, इसकी जितनी advantages हैं उतनी ही disadvantages भी देखने को मिलती हैं. Yes, you get to see all the advantages and disadvantages of this amazing variant out here. Talking about this variant, we can say it has 5.2 inch screen size along with 16mm colorization. Yes, 16mm colorization is there. Along with it, IPS full screen HD resolution can also be seen. मतलब IPS की capillary touch screening is there, so it's an amazing variant out here. Gorilla Glass 2 की प्रोटेक्शन के साथ आ रहा है ये वेरिएंट, काफी ज्यादा अच्छा माना जा रहा है. Yes, it can be said that protection out there in LG series has started with Gorilla Glass itself, so it can be considered one of the great variant. Along with that, having an octa-core processing system is also one of the great variant, because Snapdragon having 800 processor is one of the great variants out there. कि Snapdragon 800 एक काफी अच्छा वेरिएंट माना जा सकता है, क्योंकि back then it was really a very good variant out है. As well as having Android 4, we can say was okay variation. Android 4 देखने को मिला था, तो कह सकते हैं काफी ज्यादा ठीक वेरिएशन है. ज्यादा भी हम ये नहीं कहेंगे बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है, बट ठीक है. साथ ही साथ अपग्रेड हो सकता है. दिस इज द एडवांटेज आउट देयर. मतलब वो 4 पे वर्क कर रहा है बैक देन इन 2013, बट स्टिल इट इज बीइंग अपग्रेडेबल, तो वो एक अच्छी क्वालिटी है. तो अपग्रेडेबल है या अपग्रेड हो सकता है एंड्रॉइड 5 तक, ये कहा जा सकता है. Along with that, you get to see that a major drawback, or you can say a drawback only, it does not offer you any expandability in the external storage capacity. मतलब expandability नहीं देखने को मिलती है, तो वो एक ड्रॉबैक जरूर है. इंटरनल स्टोरेज की बात करें तो 16GB और 32GB ऑलरेडी स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी इसमें है. एज वेल एज यू गेट टू सी 2GB रैम आउट देयर. 2GB की रैम भी देखने को मिल रही है, so these two are really good variants out there. But the camera, if we talk about the camera, 2013 का मेगापिक्सल का है, ये 2013 ईयर का है, एंड 13 मेगापिक्सल का कैमरा है, तो कह सकते हैं अच्छा वेरिएंट है. 2013 में 13 मेगापिक्सल रेयर कैमरा कैन बी कंसिडर अ गुड वेरिएशन. Whereas if we talk about this variant, if we talk about this version outside, then we can see 2.1 megapixel could be considered not a very good variant, not a bad variant also, because 2013 में हमने बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे नहीं, बट ये 4 मेगापिक्सल तक के भी कैमरास देखे हैं बहुत सारे मॉडल्स में, बट LG was trying something new, so definitely it's a good attempt out there कि 2.1 मेगापिक्सल का इसमें कैमरा है. Whereas if we talk about other specifications, it has all the major specifications related to its connectivity, hotspot, everything out there, because it has got 300 mAh battery life. We can say कि 300 mAh की battery life काफी ज्यादा अच्छी कही जा सकती है. Like it can be considered a nice one, but since it is a non-replaceable battery, तो ये थोड़ा सा drawback है. We already know that phone has no external storage, तो ये दोनों इसकी major drawbacks कहे जा सकते हैं. Whereas if we talk about the expandability, we have talked about everything, but we would say कि इसका जो stereotype speaker है, the loudspeaker it has, it's not very good quality, you can say. उतना अच्छा क्वालिटी का नहीं कहा जा सकता. Whereas rest of the things could be considered as good variant. मतलब बाकी सारी चीजें अच्छी कही जा सकती हैं. All things are working well. But talking about this variant, we can say that this variant is available on various sites with amazing prices, but very few offers you a pocketable rate, and one such site is this is the website offering you an amazing price out here. मतलब अगर हम प्राइस की बात करें तो इस वेबसाइट पे आपको बहुत अच्छा प्राइस देखने को मिलेगा. बेस्ट डील you can see. So the website name is phoneson.ae. Yes, the website name is phoneson.ae. तो आप यहाँ पे आके try out कर सकते हैं. This offers you an amazing pricing out here. As well as this offers gives you a great number of options in not just one brand, but n number of brands out here, which can be seen under the category of all mobile phones. Apple, Samsung, Nokia, Sony, LG, HTC, every brand out here. Apart from that, this search icon helps you to know or see your favorite brand out there. So let me type for you LG, and we are talking about G2. So we are going to see about this. So we can see that the results are being disclosed. So the result have been disclosed. So we can see that this is the description box, जहाँ पे आपको पूरा description देखने को मिल रहा है, as well as there is a condition written over it. Okay, the condition here written is refurbished condition. तो पहले हम बात कर लेते हैं refurbished की, फिर आगे बात करते हैं site की. तो जानते हैं refurbished क्या होता है? Let us talk about the refurbished products today itself. Like let us know what is refurbishedness, what is refurbished product. सबसे पहले refurbished की बात करते हैं. Talking about refurbished products or talking about refurbishedness, we can say that refurbished products are something brand new like, or we can say something newly like. ये re का मतलब अगर we talk about the word itself, so re and furbish are two different words. Re means again, पहले जैसा, और furbish means something creating new, something creating from the old one, or like this we can say. So the combined word here itself means creating something newly like. So we can say that refurbished word itself means creating newly like. And when we talk about these kind of products, they are no different from the brand new products. So the brand new और इनमें ज़्यादा difference नहीं होता है. The thing is that these vary only in the market price, or we can say the usage capacity. Like brand new products are directly sold out from the company to the users or in between the agencies, but refurbished products are like company, then one user, and then the agencies, and then the user again. So कह सकते हैं कि brand new products जो हैं almost और refurbished products, और but ये दोनों they are the synonyms. We won't say synonyms, but they are quite similar in the usage capacity, or we can say in the we can say like testimoniality, we can say structurality, functionality, everything out there is same. Talking about these variants, we can say that the brand new products are testified on the basis of different categories. Same happens with the brand refurbished products too. मतलब उनमें भी एक testimonial. If we talk about these testimonials, we can say the test, verify, certificates, parameters. They involve like display, its structurality, its audio quality, FM, triple M jack, or we can say the colorization, display has scratch or not, buttons, data wiping, OS system, the CPU it is using, or we can say everything. मतलब जितने भी parts हम बात करें, जो भी specifications सब पढ़ते हैं, चाहे वो इसकी बैटरी लाइफ को लेकर हो, चाहे वो इसकी वीडियो क्वालिटी को लेके हो, या इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग को लेके हो, या इसके इंटरनल फैक्टर्स को लेके हो, चाहे वो इसका जीपीयू हो, एनएफएस हो, इंफ्रारेड पोर्ट हो, या इसका ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम हो, मतलब एनीथिंग आउट देयर, दे आर क्लासिफाइड एज सच अ कैटेगरी. ब्रांड न्यू भी इन्हीं कैटेगरी की बेसिस पर जज किया जाता है, एंड रिफर्बिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स आर आल्सो जज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दीस कैटेगरीज हियर इटसेल्फ. तो इन दोनों को जब जज कर दिया जाता है इन दोनों कैटेगरीज की बेसिस पे, वी कैन से दैट यस, both the products are almost same. Like why I said almost, because when we talk about brand new products, they are verified and tested by the company, they are checked out by various sites, whereas refurbished are checked out with one particular site, जिस साइट पे वो लिस्ट हो रहे होते हैं. मतलब इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन साइट, तो उसी साइट ने उसका पूरा टेस्ट किया है, उसे वेरीफाई किया है. इफ यू आर सीइंग इट ऑन अनदर साइट, उस साइट ने उसे वेरीफाई किया है. सो दिस कैन बी सेड कि यस, different sites verify different products. Now talking about this variant, why I'm talking about this variant, what are the advantages of having refurbished products, or what are the benefits of having a refurbished product for you? Number one, I would say, is none other than the savings of up to 15%. Yes, I have to say then it would be saving up to 15%. Talking about saving, we can say that why you can save up to 15%, because you get it in a pocketable rate. Yes, you get it in the pocketable rates. अगर pocketable rates में है तो definitely आपको save भी करने को मिल रहा है. You can save up to आराम से 15% तक saving हो जाती है. because brand new products are quite expensive out there. Whereas the same model in the refurbished condition, if we talk about in few times, then the price is actually in our pockets. Yes, that has dropped, or we can say is now much more for our pockets, so we can use that. So savings मिल जाती है. Then next comes out the warranty period. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty period out है, मतलब 6 महीने की warranty period भी आपको देखने को मिल जाती है. जबकि ब्रांड न्यू की बात करें उसमें 1 ईयर की वारंटी पीरियड आराम से देखने को मिलती है. सो दिस इज द मेजर डिफरेंस. But you do not get the exchange policy out there for the brand new products, but here you get the exchange policy for 7 days. तो 7 दिन की exchange policy भी आपको यहाँ देखने को मिलती है. So that's a wonderful feature out here. And these are the few benefits, or we can say these are the few advantages of having a refurbished product. Now talking about these advantages, or talking about the site where these products are available at a very valuable or an amazing rate out there, then I would say there is a site which helps you to get such amazing products in your pocketable rates and save up to 15%. So let me take you to the site as well. आप या तो डिस्क्रिप्शन पे जा सकते हैं लिंक पर, या फिर आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि आप गूगल पे जाके टाइप कर सकते हैं. यस, यू कैन टाइप द साइट नेम इज दिस. साइट नेम इज phoneZone.ae. आप गूगल पे जाके इस साइट को भी टाइप कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप आ सकते हैं हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. यू कैन चेक दिस आउट. टॉकिंग अबाउट द साइट, मैं ऑलरेडी आपको इस साइट के बारे में बहुत कुछ बता चुकी हूँ. And now talking about this site, this is the area out here where you get to see not just one brand, but n number of brands out there, as well as best deals is there. You get to see brand new products out there. मतलब यहाँ पे आपको हर चीज देखने को मिलती है. As well as when we talk about this website, you can say that this website offers you n number of things, n number of offers. So this website offers you n number of deals out there. Like the website homepage is this, and this offers you deals like cash on delivery is also there, free home delivery is there. So everything is out there, and you get to see the search icon, all your favorite brands out here. So definitely you can try out this website. The website name is, once again I'm telling you, the PhoneZone.ae. Yes, the website name is PhoneZone.ae. तो यही था वेबसाइट के बारे में, प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में, और आप सभी के लिए रिफर्बिश और ब्रांड न्यू का थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस. एंड इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर. एज वेल एज आप इस वेबसाइट पे ट्राई आउट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मिलती है आपको बेस्ट प्राइसिंग के साथ साथ बेस्ट डील्स भी आपके फेवरेट मॉडल्स के लिए. टिल देन टेक केयर.